For homeowners in Little Rock, Arkansas, the condition of your windows is more important than you might think. While windows certainly contribute to a home's aesthetic appeal, their role goes far beyond just looks. Over time, aging windows can lead to higher energy bills, reduced comfort, and even potential safety issues. Window replacement in Little Rock is not just a cosmetic upgrade, it's an essential investment that offers both immediate and long-term benefits. Here's why replacing your windows is crucial for homeowners in Little Rock. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most compelling reasons for window replacement in Little Rock is the improvement in energy efficiency. Little Rock experiences a range of temperatures throughout the year, from hot summers to chilly winters. Outdated windows often have poor insulation, allowing air to leak in and out of your home. This can lead to significant energy loss, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside. By replacing old windows with energy-efficient ones, you can better control your home's temperature. Modern windows come with double or triple panes, low-E glass coatings, and gas fills like argon or krypton, which provide superior insulation. These features help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. As a result, your HVAC system won't have to run as often, and your energy bills will decrease. Over time, the savings on your utility bills can help offset the cost of window replacement, making it a worthwhile investment. Enhanced comfort. Drafty windows are a common issue in older homes, especially in a climate like Little Rock's, where hot summers and cold winters demand efficient insulation. If you notice uneven temperatures in different rooms or cold drafts coming through your windows, it's a sign that your windows need attention. Inconsistent temperatures can make certain areas of your home uncomfortable, forcing you to rely more heavily on your heating or cooling system to compensate. New, high-performance windows are designed to provide better insulation, preventing drafts and helping to stabilize the indoor temperature. With modern features like insulated frames and airtight seals, window replacement will ensure a more comfortable living environment, no matter the weather outside. Whether you're trying to cool down during the sweltering Arkansas summer or stay warm in the winter, new windows will provide a more consistent and comfortable atmosphere throughout your home. Increased home value. If you're considering selling your Little Rock home in the future, window replacement is an excellent way to increase your property's value and curb appeal. Potential buyers often prioritize energy-efficient homes, as they're looking for properties that will save them money in the long run. Outdated, inefficient windows can be a red flag for buyers, signaling potential future expenses and maintenance issues. On the other hand, homes with modern, energy-efficient windows are more attractive to buyers because they require less immediate work and promise lower energy bills. In fact, replacing your windows can provide a high return on investment, ROI, when it comes time to sell, helping you command a higher asking price and attract more buyers. Protection from the elements. Little Rock is no stranger to extreme weather, including strong thunderstorms, hail, and occasional tornadoes. Over time, The constant exposure to the elements can weaken your windows, making them more susceptible to damage. Cracks, chips, or even the inability to properly seal shut can compromise the protection your windows offer. This can leave your home vulnerable to drafts, water leaks, and even security risks. By investing in window replacement, you ensure that your home is better equipped to handle the weather conditions in Little Rock. Impact-resistant windows are designed to withstand strong winds and debris during storms, providing an extra layer of protection for your home. In addition, modern windows offer better waterproofing and airtight seals, preventing rainwater from seeping in and causing mold or water damage. Increased home security. The older windows can pose a security risk. Worn-out locks, broken seals, or even the thin glass in some older windows can make it easier for intruders to break into your home. Modern windows, however, are equipped with advanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems, reinforced glass, and stronger frames. These enhancements make it much harder for burglars to break in, providing you and your family with peace of mind. Moreover, windows with tempered or laminated glass can also help reduce the likelihood of injury in case of breakage. This added safety feature is especially important for households with young children or pets. Reduced maintenance costs. Older windows often require frequent repairs and maintenance, especially if the frames are made of wood, which can rot, warp, or become infested with pests. If you've found yourself constantly resealing gaps or replacing broken parts, window replacement can save you a great deal of time, effort, and money. Newer window materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite, are durable, low maintenance, and resistant to weathering, rot, and insects. With modern windows, you'll spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your home. Better noise insulation. Little Rock is a growing city, and with that comes an increase in traffic, construction, and other sources of noise. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a major road, you might find that outside noise disrupts your peace and quiet. Modern windows are designed to block out noise more effectively than older windows, thanks to features like thicker glass, better seals, and multi-pane construction. Replacing your windows can create a more peaceful and quiet living environment, allowing you to relax without the constant hum of traffic or noisy neighbors. Conclusion. Window replacement in Little Rock is an investment that offers a wide range of benefits for homeowners. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, increase comfort, boost your home's value, or enhance security, replacing your old windows is one of the best ways to achieve these goals. If you're dealing with drafty, outdated windows, or if you simply want to improve your home's appearance and functionality, window replacement is a smart choice. With the right windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and energy-efficient home for years to come.